Hi creators, I'm Tate, and in this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the new analytics in YouTube Studio. Here are a few tips to get you started. You can look at analytics for your channel or for each of your videos separately. To access analytics for a specific video, search for the video name from the search bar or click the video on the video list. Then click Analytics on the left menu. You'll know you're looking at a video's analytics since the title and thumbnail of the video are displayed. You can also access analytics directly by hovering over the play icons in the channel chart and clicking the video title. Click the back button to navigate back to see your channel analytics. When in Analytics, explore the different tabs which contain different information about your channel and videos. For example, the Reach Viewers tab contains information about how viewers find your videos on YouTube. And the Build an Audience tab has information to help you understand your audience better. If you're not sure what a metric means, you can hover over the name to get a short explanation. See your views in real time by looking at the latest activity card in channel and video analytics. You can change the time frame from 48 hours to 60 minutes. Many of the cards in analytics can be clicked to show more information about your performance. You'll be able to plot different metrics in a chart, sort the table by the different columns, export the data in a CSV format, and create groups of videos for easier analysis. The default date range when looking at video analytics is set to since published, starting on the day the video went public, and extending up to the current time. You can change the date range by clicking on the date picker at the top right. To learn more about YouTube Analytics, check out this video's description and subscribe to the Creators channel to get the most out of YouTube.